What's up, kids? Pastor Nathan here. Today we're gonna learn about patience, but first I'm really hungry, so I got some grits. You ever had grits before? Kind of like oatmeal, but they're a little bit weird. I'm just gonna... Oh, I was so hungry I just ate them right out of the packet. Maybe we should cook them first. Let's put them here. All right, what does this say? Empty packet in a 2-cup micro-safe bowl. All right, now they're ready to eat. Wait a minute. Wouldn't they taste the same? Maybe there's more instructions. I'm just really hungry, I promise. Add half a cup of water or milk and stir. Too many steps. Alright, so added the water. I stirred, so now we're gonna be good. Oh, that was even worse. That's disgusting. Why would anybody ever want to eat these? Oh wait. Microwave on high 1 minute. Good. I think I might be too hungry to be cooking. Maybe I should just get fast food or something. Alright. That's a waste of packet. I got my water already. I already got the half cup because it was already over there. You need to just innovation. Man, I am starving. Add it in there. Turn around. Microwave. I think 30 seconds should be enough. You think 30 seconds is enough? You probably knew I'm just so hungry I can't wait a whole minute. Man, I think 30 seconds will be good. Okay. Too hungry, I couldn't wait any longer. So I only did 23 seconds. Still terrible. Oh. Yeah. I guess I'll have to do the whole minute. I just don't want to wait that long. Okay, get it. I waited the whole minute. Well, it's really hot. I think I burned my tongue. See the steam? Oops. Okay. What in the world? These are terrible. Why would anybody eat grits?
You're supposed to put stuff in it, dummy.
What? You mean you're not supposed to just eat it plain? I'm just gonna eat my grits. Alright, fine. Alright, fine. Alright, got some honey. Alright, got some honey. Got some butter. Let me have butter. Get in there. Maybe let that melt first. Now for the honey, honey. So these better be good. I'm just starving. Oh, waited so long just to eat this. Second breakfast. Alright. That's delicious. I almost choked there because I was eating too fast because I'm so hungry. What do I need to learn here? Wait a minute. Oh, there's that one Bible verse I know. Yeah, think there's a Bible verse I'm thinking of. I think Miss Cindy taught it to us one time. Oh, that's it. Galatians 5:22 says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, and faithfulness." So you think I need to be patient, probably? Probably so. When I ate the grits with no water, they were disgusting. When I ate the grits without warming it up, they were disgusting. When I ate the grits with not warming it up enough, guess what? Disgusting. When I ate the grits with nothing in them, guess what? Disgusting. When I put stuff in them, they're pretty good, and I ate them too fast, guess what happened? I choked. Man, looks like I need to learn about patience, don't I? There's a lot of stories in the Bible about patience, and one of them, my favorite, is the story of Joseph, and it starts in Genesis 36. So I encourage you this week, open your Bible and read those few chapters all about the story of Joseph. But the lesson today, I have 3 simple words. Patience pays off. Remember when I wasn't patient, it was either disgusting or I choked. But when I was patient, I was left with delicious grits. Anyways, hope you kids have a great week and hope you all have the spirit of patience with you. I know it's a long time that we've been in quarantine, we've been in our houses. We can't get haircuts. It's been 88 days since I've had a haircut. But you know, I'm being patient and my patience is finally paying off. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Hope you have a great week.